Hi guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY sewing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every Thursday. In video today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to downside a mini skirt. Actually, it's really similar with the way to downside denim skirt that I already shared you the last episode. I'll link it over here and at the description box, but this time a little bit different because of the design of the skirt. My skirt got a flat grab pocket at the front side and full lining. That's the reason why I need more time to do with it. But it's not complex and difficult. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to try it first to measure how many centimeters that I need to reduce. And this skirt is too big to me. It's super loose than my waist, and I must down 10 centimeters. It means I need to reduce 5 centimeters for each side. But like I said before, this skirt got a flat grab pocket which is close to the seam allowance. Then I'm going to reduce 2 cm at the side and 3 cm at the waist down at the back side. I'm starting to remove the seam on the lining part. And turn the right side out, remove the seam on the waist part. Now, you can turn the wrong side out through the open hole and take the waistband at the side out and remove the main part and subsidiary waistband. But I'll remove them from the right side, leave the seam at the front side. First, I'm going to work with the main skirt. For the side, I'm going to reduce 2 cm. I'll mark 2 points with 1 cm for each point on both sides of the original side seam and stitching down. For the waist down, I'm gonna reduce 3 cm. I mark 2 points with 1.5 cm for each point on both sides of the original waist down and stitching down. Next, moving on to the lining part. Try doing that like the main skirt, but I'm gonna take apart the subsidiary waistband and lining part, just a distance that's enough to reduce them. Okay, now I'm going to cut 5 cm fabric on the subsidiary waistband and reduce 5 cm at the waist dot on the lining part. Next, I'm gonna stick the side of the new subsidiary together. Then, I'm going to through the hole and take the wrong side out and sew in the subsidiary waistband and the lining part back together. After that, I'm going to sew the open part to close it. And last step, I just stick on the waistband like the original stitching to finish. And here the final result. It fits with me very well. You can see the waist part and hip part absolutely different at the first. Now it's more flattering and sexier. Hope you like this tutorial and see you next Thursday. Bye!